G'day everyone, my name's Conrad and welcome to Turkey. Brooke and I are taking an 8-day go sail Turkey cruise all the way from Bodrum for 8 days. Bodrum, Marmaris, to Fithiye. I'm gonna let you know what to expect on an 8-day go sail Turkey cruise on the beautiful, clean watered, rocky mounted coast of Turkey.
Now I know my heart is a ghost town.
Going on an excursion. It looks like there's a castle or an old castle up there.
Last night in my dream, all the machines had been disconnected. Time was thrown at the wind, and all of my friends had been disaffected. And now I'm searching for trust in a city of rust, a city of vampires. So now I know my heart is a ghost town.
We've seen some turtles popping their heads up, so we're gonna go get some snorkels and a mask and see if we can find them.
Last night in my dreams, walking the streets of some old ghost town. I tried to believe in God and James Dean, but Hollywood sold out.
Too fast, you went too deep. Guess you didn't want me hanging out with him.
I'm sorry.
Alright, and this is how you shower on the boat.
We've seen how you do
Just
it.
grab the old hose.
You were like, oh, you know, something is out of focus. I'm so
Let's have showered for 8 days. Oh yeah. Oh, this is great. Save water! Save water, guys! Double up!
My hair dried the whole time. Yeah, I'm like, and then Connie just, I did the same the other day. I was like,
So, what's for lunch?
Fresh fish.
And you caught this last night.
Yeah, last night, 2 minutes.
Last night in my dreams, all the machines had been disconnected. Time was thrown at the wind, and all of my friends.
go through. No, that's what Tomo's good for.
We're just pulling into Marmaris now. I think it's a semi-big town, so we'll go and explore and see what kind of ice cream they got.
Now I'm searching for trust in a city of rust, a city of vampires. Tonight, Elvis is dead.
A lot of padding on there.
Whoa.
Your knees would thank you. It's ice cream o'clock.
I know
Ah.
this game.
You know this guy?
I know this game and I can never get.
Putting your maulers all over my ice
I
cream.
can just grab this and then grab this.
Please, thank you very much, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it on my face? No, my beard got it. We've just spent the night at Cleopatra's baths, and I think you can go and swim around in these ancient Turkish ruins, so let's check that out.
This is apparently where Cleopatra herself would bathe.
Don't know if she had a bath here or drowned here. Looks more like her house than her bathtub. If I jump in, it's probably not deep enough.
Wait.
Oh, there's another room. Don't crush me!
Let's go.
going vessel, headed inland, I think it's freshwater, to a place called Dalian, and there they've got these mud baths with high mineral content. Apparently it'll make me look 10 years younger, so I can't wait to lose this tiny bit of facial hair that I do have and look 15 again. And Turtle Beach, where apparently turtles come and lay eggs, and then the little baby turtles go back. So let's take a look. Smells like rotten eggs, but no, it's the smell of youth. Oh, I don't know about this. Oh. Don't worry, got it all on camera. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it's probably like 30 something degrees. Let me help you. You love beauty treatments on your face, bro. Don't avoid it. Get. The method is mud, bake, rinse.
Yeah, you gotta rinse after 20 minutes of baking with all the minerals on you. But you can't.
Minerals. Mud. 2, 3. Last but not least, everybody, it's the sexy rinse. Here we go.
Take the box, man, from the master box. Now, jar, master, boy, take the box.
Wow. Wow. You need to get way better at your instructions for weddings. Next stop, Turtle Beach. Welcome to Turtle Beach. Let's find some turtles. No turtles. Oh, damn. That guy said no turtles. I just want to find like a little baby turtle, just like. I don't know if they're here. So, if you book with Go Sail Turkey, the Bodrum to Fithiye or Fithiye to Bodrum 8-day, I think they also have 5-day or 4-day options. It's that route's exclusive to Go Sail Turkey, so if you do that route, you will be doing it with Go Sail Turkey. Here's what you can expect. You can expect, if it's 8 days, quite a relaxing time. Nothing's too rushed. Plenty of time for swimming in this paradise of an ocean. Every morning I just get up and dive in. That's my shower done. You have your breakfast, lunch, dinner all included. Afternoon tea also, which is a nice touch. And the food in Turkey is probably some of my favorite food. Lots of salads, real fresh. They catch fish just from the ocean. And they've also got optional extra excursions. If you pay for the excursions, you can go on the excursions. If you don't want to do the excursions, you don't have to. But each day you kind of port up somewhere and you can head into a local little town, a local bar, a little pub, or just pull up at some ruins and just explore it. So every day you can hop off the boat and explore and swim. But they've got also on top of that extra excursions. So that's activities covered, eating covered, but what about sleeping on a boat? I've been on some boats, probably like the one behind me there, like the catamaran and the yacht type boat. They're real small and you can't stand up, you just kind of sleep in them. These are not them. You full stand, you've got a cupboard, you can put your clothes and stuff in the cupboard, and then they've got a bed, and some have a bunk bed and a bed. So pretty good as far as boat cabins go, not too claustrophobic and cramped, because you can always stand up. Standing up is helpful for not feeling cramped, so I hear. But sometimes sleeping in them can get, depending on the breeze direction, it can get kind of warm. And because this is a boat and not a house, you don't have air conditioners. So what Brooke and I have opted to do is we just sleep up on the sun tanning day beds with the cool ocean breeze at night time, looking up at the stars, and that's beautiful. It hasn't rained at all, and today is no exception. It looks definitely like no rain. Does it ever rain in summer in Turkey? I don't know, but every time I've been here, it has been perfect weather every single day. You also have your own toilet, which is great. I think everybody has their own toilet that they can use. So there's no coming in and being like, hey, who left in there? Who left the toilet seat up? Or who left that whatever in there? It's you. That's the answer, because you've all got your own toilet, so that's really good as well. But what's the bar situation like, Conrad? I hear pretty much everybody asking. There is a full comprehensive bar with many beverages to choose. You just have a tab. And so when you choose your beverage of choice, you write it down, and then at the end you just pay for your tab at the bar, like any other bar, I think. Hopefully that gives you a good overview of what you can expect if you book a sailing trip with Go Sail Turkey. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll get back to you, and I'll see you in the next one.